What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. My name is Melissa. If you're not familiar, I want to give you a little bit of a background really quickly as to what my story looks like. Now, I'm a mama of 2 kiddos, a veteran, a wife, a full-time student, as well as the CEO of Melissa and Money LLC, where I educate women on financial literacy. Whether you are a woman who is currently struggling living paycheck to paycheck, or you're a badass CEO that wants to become more confident in her financial decisions and manage her personal finances. And today I have an amazing announcement that I have been waiting for so long to be able to announce. And so, drum roll please. Launching on October 15th is Money Boss Bootcamp. I know, I'm so excited. But what exactly is Money Boss Bootcamp? Now, I told you who it's for. It's for women that are currently struggling living paycheck to paycheck and they want to learn about financial literacy, or it's for badass CEO women who want to become more confident in their financial decisions. Now, let me give you a little bit of backstory on what this program has done for me. I went from being $30,000 in debt to completely debt-free. I went from a 400 credit score to an over 800 credit score, as well as $0 in the bank to a 6-month fully funded cash emergency fund. And I want to teach women just like you how to do the exact same thing. Now, I can sit here and I can tell you all of the many features of the program, like how there's over 30 lessons going over different things that pertain to financial literacy, or how we go over mindset, financial clarity, budgets. We touch on retirement. We talk about ways to save, ways to negotiate. I mean, the list goes on and on. But what I want you to take away from this video is not necessarily the templates and the scripts and the 8 modules and over 30 lessons that is included in this program. What I want you to take away from it is what this program provides. This program is meant to take somebody that is not confident in the way that they manage their money and turn them into somebody who is completely confident in their financial decisions, as well as help you create financial security in your life, whatever that may mean for you. Now, as I stated before, this program becomes available to the public for purchase on October 15th. But I guess I should say 2020, right? October 15th, 2020, it becomes available to the public. But I want you to keep in mind of something. There's a wait list that is currently open. I'm gonna leave the link down in the description box below. Now, there is no catch when it comes to this wait list, except for you receiving more perks along the process. So if you join the wait list and you purchase through the wait list, you will receive 2 amazing bonuses. Bonuses that will not be offered for purchase to anybody else during this round, and bonuses that will not be offered as add-ons or for free to anybody else for the rest of this term for this program. Now, it is an 8-week course, so I know you want to know, what the heck are the bonuses? The first bonus is a mini course that is all about teaching you the beginning steps to investing for your retirement. This mini course is meant for a very beginner level, somebody who has not reached the point in their life where they have started investing for retirement, or somebody who just is so overwhelmed by the idea of investing for retirement that they haven't started. It breaks it down for beginners. So it's perfect if you're somebody who has went through my course, became debt-free, saved up your emergency fund, and now we're investing for retirement. So the bonus is available for that one only through the wait list. The second bonus is a 30-minute Let's Talk Money one-on-one call with me. Now, something that I didn't mention early on is this particular round of Money Boss Bootcamp is different from all of the others. In this particular round, I'm including one-on-one coaching at the price of group coaching. And I know, I'm freaking crazy. And my coach, she's like, how dare you do this? It's gonna take so much time. I don't care. Because I want the founding members of this program to be able to experience one-on-one at such a high level. So there will be absolutely no group coaching this round only. Now, after this round, it's going strictly back to group coaching. But this round, to make it a little bit fun, make it a little bit more different, we are gonna be doing strictly one-on-one coaching. So that involves 8 one-on-one coaching calls where I meet with you every single week to talk about your progress, where you're getting stuck, where you need some additional information on, to get feedback, to help you through those mental mindset blocks. as well as a 9th one-on-one call that we will do together before we start the program to make sure that we're on the same page and I get you ready to get going when the program goes live the week after. So this additional bonus is on top of those 9 one-on-one calls that you receive. You get an additional 30-minute call that's kind of like a 911 call to your bestie. You know what I mean? Like when the shit hits the fan and you're like, okay, I need to call somebody who can help me out of this situation. That's what that call is for. But in general, you can use it for anything that you want. If you're stuck on something, your one-on-one call with me isn't for, a whole other week and you really want to schedule it in, you need this answered fast, you have 2 options. You can post in our private Facebook group, which is also included in this program, or you can schedule that bonus 30-minute call that you won because you signed up through the wait list, or you can wait till the next week and we can talk about it on our one-on-one call. This is exactly the program that I wish I would have had or had access to when I was just starting to learn about finances. I took so many courses and I bought so many books and I met with so many financial counselors in the beginning because I was making all of the wrong decisions and I got sick and tired of finally being broke and finally feeling dumb around financial conversations, and I wanted to pull up my big girl pants and place my seat at the table. If you are watching this video and it's after the closing date for this round for MBB, which is October 22nd is the closing date for this round 2020. If you're watching this after that, you can still go to the link in my bio and sign up for the wait list for the next round. And in the meantime, make sure you're following me over on my Instagram, Melissa and Money. I'll put the link right here and I'll put the link down below in the description box as well so that you can stay up to date for the next time that I open up enrollment. But please keep in mind, there's 2 things that are changing in the next round. 1, you won't get one-on-one access support with me unless you purchase a VIP option, which is quite a bit more expensive. And number 2, these bonuses will not be around anymore. If you have more questions about what is included in this program or you're curious, I will leave a link down below so that you can check out the sales page that has everything listed on there, week by week, what we go through, what's included in the bonuses if you sign up through the wait list. And I'm just so excited to be able to provide this program to you guys at such an affordable price for all of the information and high-level support that you receive in this process. This program has helped my clients go from being completely overwhelmed with their finances, not knowing where their money went, and feeling overwhelmed with their loans to feeling like they have it under control, like they're in charge of their money. They're the boss of their own money. They have paid off credit cards, car loans, thousands of dollars in this process, and I want you to know the same feeling. I want you to know the feeling of freedom. I want you to know the feeling of not owing money to anybody else, and I want you to have the confidence in your ability to make financial decisions. It's your money, and you should know how to manage it, and I want to help you get there. So like I said, the cart opens to purchase on October 15th, 2020, but if you want those bonuses, get on the wait list. The link is in the bio down below and purchase through the wait list, and that way it will secure your 2 bonuses. And if you have any more questions about this program or exactly what it entails, comment down below or send me a DM over on my Instagram and I'll be happy to help you out. I am so excited for this next chapter, not only for me, but for you. So until next time, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.